Yes, Ho Chi Minh City has a lot of museums.
Okay. Yes, there are plenty of museums in the city since it's a center of tourism. We have museums of art, history, science, military, and war. It's absolutely attract many visitors during a year. Do you often visit a museum?
No.
Okay, honestly, I do not usually visit a museum because I do not have too much time. I'm too busy with my work. When was the last time you visited a museum?
I think it was in my first year.
Okay. Actually, the last time I visited the museum is in my first year in college when my university celebrates some activities to welcome freshmen. Do you think museums are important?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. Yes, in my opinion, museums play the most important role in the life of human beings. This helps in doing the study for students because the environment of museum is very quiet. Museums are also beneficial for old age persons. They can sit there in the calm culture.